Hi, my name is Susan and I work for Don's Canadian Cake Supply. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy air fryer donuts in the shape of Easter eggs. I have a air fryer that's more like an oven. If you don't have one, you can use a toaster oven too, and just follow the directions for baking it like it says on the package. You want to keep an eye on your biscuits to make sure they don't burn. My biscuits are all done. It only took like 5 minutes. Here's my melted margarine. You can use a pastry brush, so one like this, which is kind of handy. And we're going to brush the biscuits and then roll it around in the sugar. If you want, you can get some colored sugar and sprinkle, pinch them on. And we have these little straws that we like. You could tap it on. That makes it sparkle. Some red too, maybe. One last thing you can do, because Easter eggs have stripes, is to melt some chocolate and put it in a parchment cone like this, and then you can actually stripe your eggs if you want, like this. And there you have it, your vegan Easter egg donuts made in the air fryer. What's Easter without Peeps? So we're going to make some quick Peeps s'mores. It's not melted yet, so I'm going to do it 30 seconds more. It's kind of melty. We have a Peeps s'more. Yum! Enjoy!